So alcohol is broken down by enzymes that are present in your liver. Alcohol dehydrogenase is one route, and also cytochrome P450 is another route. Now, alcohol dehydrogenase, as suggested, was in the liver, but it's also present in the stomach. So some breakdown of alcohol can occur in the stomach as well. Alcohol dehydrogenase will take alcohol and break it down into a compound called acetaldehyde, which it turns out is a toxic compound. It can actually generate flushing symptoms, nausea, a rapid heart rate, tachycardia, sweating, dizziness, confusion. But in many individuals, it is then rapidly broken down, this acetaldehyde, by an enzyme called ALDH into more harmless compounds, acetic acid, water, and carbon dioxide, and ATP as well. So this is a method by which a good deal of alcohol is broken down in most individuals. And if you have a functional version of this enzyme, ALDH, you don't generally experience these toxic symptoms that are associated with the accumulation, right, of acetaldehyde. However, some individuals actually don't express a very effective version of ALDH or don't express enough of this particular enzyme. And so there is an accumulation of acetaldehyde. So this is, if you notice that you're getting flushed and nauseous with alcohol, there may be a problem with the breakdown of this toxic intermediate compound from alcohol because of the way you express genes. So the other route for breakdown of alcohol is in the liver. It's a liver enzyme called cytochrome P450, and it'll take alcohol, break it down into non-toxic compounds that can be flushed out of your system. What's interesting about this particular enzyme is that it's not specific for alcohol. It actually helps to break down many drugs and compounds that circulate in the blood. So if you take alcohol and you start to take it on a regular basis, you can actually induce changes in expression of this enzyme. You can actually generate more of this cytochrome P450. You can upregulate expression of this enzyme. And so if you're taking another drug, maybe for some other medical condition, for example, it might be broken down faster. You might need a larger dose of that drug because there's more of the enzyme that'll break it down if you're a regular drinker, right? So that's something that your doctor would probably ask you is, do you drink on a regular basis? And it might influence the amount of drug that they would administer because of the upregulation in cytochrome P450.